channel. If you're new here, my name is Samil Julissa, or you just call me Samil. But today is a maintenance vlog. I was gonna, okay, first of all, excuse me, I literally just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I always wake up like super early in the morning. I really woke up at 7, but I forced myself to go back to sleep because I was like, why do you keep waking up at 7 a.m? Why? So I woke up at like, it was really like 7:40 when I woke up, and I was like, I need to just get started on doing my hair. Y'all see the parts, okay? Y'all know what's coming. So I'm about to do a maintenance vlog. I was gonna call this a pamper vlog, but y'all, this is not pampering at all. Like, I have to do everything myself because y'all know with this corona and stuff, okay, even past corona, like personally, I'm just trying to learn how to do everything on my own. So that's just like, corona just really made that like a thing for me, and I'm really grateful for that because I used to just spend $200-300 like it was nothing and get my hair done, and I really have to not do that because, not $300, but $100-200, and it's not okay. But y'all, I'll be doing my hair in this video, doing my nails in this video, maybe do my eyebrows. I do need to clean them up a little bit. Yeah, so let me show y'all what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be putting up inspiration pictures of what I wanted to do to my hair. Y'all know I've been on this locks wave. So I want to do some locks. If you've seen the video I did on my sister, she did like the bob bohemian locks. I wanted something sort of like that, but I wanted it a little bit longer. I didn't really want bob. I kind of just wanted like shoulder length. I should have recorded me going to the store, but I got my goodies. I might do a tutorial on this as well, but not really sure because I don't really know. I really hope my TV's not loud, but anyway, I'm gonna get back to y'all once my hair is complete, and I'll probably be working on my nails next. So good morning. I hope you guys having a great day. I love y'all so much, and thank you guys so much for almost 5,000 subscribers. Y'all, we're on the road to 5K, and we're almost there, period. So I don't know where we're gonna be at by the time I post this video, because this video is gonna be over a course of a couple days probably, because it's probably gonna take me all day to finish my hair because I have to take forever. But like I said, I'm talking too much, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all later. It took me like 8 hours to finish my hair, obviously because I'm only me. So I was stopping at 8, took a shower, brushed my teeth, watched some TV, but for the most part, you know, it was pretty good. I finished in a day, so that's good, because them long ones, honey, was not finished in a day. And it's like storming or something outside. It just like knocked the power out for a second, so that's why my TV looks like that and everything. But yeah, it's like a real natural length. I don't really hate it or anything. I think it's cute, but it definitely had nothing on my soft locks, period. It had nothing on my soft locks. So now I need to take off my nails. Some of them, literally 2 of them popped off today. I was doing laundry and it popped off, and then I was taking a shower and it started popping off. So I need to soak my nails off. I'm gonna soak the rest off instead of just popping them off, because I need to stop doing that because my nails just get weaker and weaker. Okay, y'all, so it's a new day, and I'm just showing y'all that I'm about to soak off my nails so I can get started with doing my acrylics. This is what we're looking like, okay? Crazy. I clipped them down And now I'm just about to soak them off with the aluminum foil and cotton ball method. And yeah, that's just what I'm about to do because I didn't get these off and I want to redo my nails. I don't know if I should do shorties or claws, y'all. So comment down below what y'all think I'm gonna do. You're probably gonna see in the thumbnail, but yeah, I don't really know. But okay, let's get started. We're looking like right now, y'all. I've always tried to do this and I've never had the patience. So my friend told me have patience and it will work because she does it all the time. So yeah, this is what we're looking like right now. I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes and then either use my nail file right there. I just use that to get the clear coat off, just to make it, I don't know if it made a difference, but just to get the clear coat off. Either use my nail file or my e-file, but I'm probably just gonna use my nail file because that's what they do at the salon. So I'm gonna bust out my whole e-file for her. But yeah, we're gonna check back in. You can see the combo. I'm check back in with y'all.
Tell me what the deal, you're not that far. I just got my bag and I'm headed to the car. Say yes or no, cause I'm on the road.
Wait a minute, my battery's low. Let me... Alright.
Baby, I wanna come see you. Said I really wanna come see you. Don't you worry about a thing. I'm just wanting to hold you, embrace you. I want to look at you and tell you how much I love you. I want you, I need you, miss you. Can I come over? Can I come over? Stop by. Come over to see you. Come over. Can I come over? Can I come over? Get with you. Come over. Just wanna come over. Can I come over? Can I come over? Stop by. Come over. See you. Come over. Can I come over? Can I come over? Get with you. Come over. Just wanna come over.